In this video, I will show you how to see heart points and move multiple trends in Google Fit. First, go ahead and open your Google Fit app. Once you're on the home screen, scroll down a little bit until you find the section called Heart Points. Now, just tap on it to open. Here you will see a breakdown of your heart points, which show how much time you've spent in activities that get your heart pumping. If you scroll through, you will also notice your Move Minutes trends, which track the amount of time you've been active throughout the day. It's a simple way to see both your heart points and your Move Minutes trends in one place, so you can keep track of your progress and stay motivated. And that's how to see heart points and move multiple trends in Google Fit.